plea has been filed in the Supreme Court seeking a CBI probe in the Disha Salyan case. A PIL has been filed already in the Supreme Court. Harish Nair can tell us, who's with us right now, whether or not it's been put on the roster. Harish, we understand the plea has been filed, accepted by the Supreme Court. Any news on when it will come up for hearing?
Yes, Sathar, a very big development. PIL has been filed by one lawyer, Vineet Dhanda, who incidentally happens to be the additional Advocate General of Haryana government and a Supreme Court lawyer. He has sought a court-monitored probe, CBI probe into Disha Salyan murder, along with that of Sushant Rajput, which has been ordered by the center today, saying that both the deaths are interlinked, and he says that the Supreme Court should seek an investigative report from the DGP of Maharashtra Police and vet it. And in case the Supreme Court is not satisfied with the investigative report, the Supreme Court should order a CBI probe. This petition comes very significantly closely after
Harish,
the Supreme
because
Court.
Mr. Dhanda is joining us right now, the Supreme Court lawyer who's filed this particular PIL in the Supreme Court. Mr. Dhanda, first of all, we understand the plea has been filed. You've asked for a CBI probe as well into Disha Salyan's case now. On what basis do you believe, sir, that these two deaths are linked? Also, do you believe what Mr. Narayan Rane is saying about Disha Salyan's death? And have you connected those allegations with your plea?
Sir, can you hear me? Good evening.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, since the Honorable Supreme Court has already taken care of the matter of Sushant Singh Rajput's death case, but there is an important incident of the suspicious death of Ms. Disha Salyan. And in a hush-hush way, her investigation report and everything has been filed. Nothing conclusive was informed to the public, to her parents. And now, since both the deaths seems to be interrelated, it is must that the Disha Salyan case also be investigated thoroughly. And I have requested the Honorable Supreme Court that a detailed report should be summoned from the DGP Maharashtra and CP Mumbai. And if the Honorable Supreme Court is not satisfied, then a CBI probe may be directed. Another prayer is there that the Bihar police, which is there in Mumbai, they should be fully cooperated, and their security should also be ensured. Because the way Mumbai police is behaving, that is very high-handed and very reckless. Right from the beginning, they have been mocking the law of the land, and it should not be allowed. And I am happy that Honorable Supreme Court took cognizance today as far as Mr. Sushant Singh's case is concerned. And in Disha Salyan's case also, such cognizance is required, and I am hopeful that this girl will also get justice.
All right. Mr. Dhanda, let me ask you one more question here. Given the fact the Supreme Court has already intervened to an extent, even though they've given 3 days to all parties concerned, what makes you think that Supreme Court will also intervene in the Salyan case? Given the fact that the Mumbai police has also come out with a press release immediately after the Supreme Court wrapped them on the knuckles, do you believe there is enough grounds here for a CBI probe into both deaths? And again, you didn't answer my earlier question. What makes you think these two deaths are interconnected? On what grounds are you saying that?
There are many conclusive reports in media which are going rounds, and there is a serious curiosity among the citizens of our country. It was expected from Mumbai police to at least redress the grievances of the public sentiment, but besides not only mocking the administration of justice, Mumbai police has been behaving like goons. They have been putting the officer in quarantine and things like that. And to top it all, they have deleted the file concerning Ms. Disha Salyan's case.
Okay.
And when Bihar police wanted to take care of the laptop that we might be able to restore it, nothing has been done.
Okay, so the Supreme Court has admitted your plea, and we'll see where it goes from there. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Dhanda.